Welcome back, guys. This is going to be part 3 to my car camera build series. Today we're going to be finishing the isolation plate. We might be painting the entire thing, and then tomorrow I'm actually going to be filming. So I'm going to combine today's filming and tomorrow's filming into the same vlog, and by then we should have this entire thing done. So I ran back up to the hardware store today. This has been my 5th or 6th trip up there, so I hope this is the last one, but we got 6 more of our cable mounts. I got 2 more bolts and nuts. That's going to be to mount the isolation plate to the car mount. And then I got another cobalt drill bit to match the size of these. And we got some paint, black paint, for the entire thing. So we're going to get right into it today. I'm going to put the GoPro head mount on so you can watch me in a little bit different angle today. But I'm going to be mounting the rest of the cable all the way through this. And then we're going to be mocking up the actual rig onto my car, mounting this onto that. And if everything works properly, we'll take it all apart, paint it, and tomorrow we should be able to test it. And then the Ronin is going to hang right under here. And this is basically just going to bounce up and down like this to compensate for the cars bouncing up and down. So it's like a little shock for the camera. And that should eliminate all of our vibration. Now all it needs is a sweet paint job. All right, guys, I'm going to put the final coat on all of my pieces here. This is going to be the third and final coat, as I said, but it looks really good black. I like it. I think it's going to look good on the car too that way, maybe a bit more professional. So let's get this third coat on, and then this is going to be our stopping point for today. All right, that's all the pieces. They got their final third coat. This is where we stop for today because I don't have the final plate to mount the Ronin onto the bottom of the isolation plate, but tomorrow it should be right about there. Whoa, oh, there it is. Oh my gosh. Let's go. And I changed clothes. Oh my gosh. Just kidding. It's the next day. Let's break into this package and get going. I'm gonna go ahead and mount this where I want it to go. I'm gonna put some holes or some dots with the marker where I want the holes, and then I'll drill it out, And I got some hardware from my boxes over there. I just found some old hardware that I'm gonna mount it on there with. This is the last step, guys, then we'll get to test it out. Oh my gosh. What did we create? Wow. Oh my gosh. So here's the deal. Gosh. I can sit here. I hope you guys can see this. All right. I'm gonna sit here and look at this monitor. You can see the screen. The camera's moving out there. I have my controller. This joystick moves the entire thing. So I can go left and right, and up and down. All right, you guys, I got it all torn down. That's going to bring this week's vlog series to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me put together my camera car DIY build. It was super fun. I had a good time bringing you guys along. Hope you enjoyed all the footage and stuff. I want to do a couple of these every once in a while, a little vlog series that just lasts for a week. So let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see. I can do music stuff, more car stuff, more filmmaking stuff, whatever you guys like. So as always, I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you in next week's videos.